2 or 3 weeks since I got the RB25 in my Skyline, and it's still doing great. I think it's at like 400 miles right now, and the machine shop said it's got a 500-mile break-in, so I'm almost there. And now for today's little project. I had like a lot of days where it's been really hot, and right now it's like almost 80 degrees. I need to get the AC working on this car. That was the main reason why I even bought this thing. So I was at the shop and I tried to recharge the AC. I don't think you can see it, but my AC condenser has like a little hole in it. It might have been when we put the engine in, and I might have like put a hole in it. I don't know, but either way, there's a hole in my old condenser. So I was able to pick up a used one. Hopefully this is good. I got it for like 70 bucks. And usually I would buy brand new, but this car, you know, was never here in the States, and I don't know what interchanges, but a brand new part, OEM condenser, is like 700 bucks from the dealer. I'm not gonna pay that much for that. So I'm gonna hope that this thing works. I think the condenser comes out towards the engine, so I gotta drain the coolant and pull out the radiator, which kind of sucks because I just changed it out like a week ago. So I'm gonna do that again. Oh man, here we go. Is it gonna go everywhere? Oh crap. Well, I got some bad news. The condenser does not come out this way. The frame down here is gonna block me from pulling it out this way, which sucks because I did all this for nothing. So I guess I'll have to take off the front bumper, the crash bar, the intercooler. Oh man, that's a lot more work. Once again, my front end is all apart, but luckily this was pretty quick. It was only about 20 minutes worth of work. And look at that. This is the way the AC condenser comes out. So all I got to do now is disconnect these lines here. So there's one here, and then you can kind of see that nut there. And I have already recycled all the AC stuff, so nothing's gonna shoot out. So make sure you do not take any of the stuff off unless you've recycled all the AC stuff, or else you're gonna get blasted in the face. This is my old condenser, and you can see my engine was hitting right here when we were putting it in, so there might have been a leak there, but I know for sure there is one over here right inside this hole. Can't really see it, but yeah, there is a crack there. So I guess it was just old and corroded, maybe? I don't know. Anyways, let's go ahead and throw this one in. And hopefully it works. And there you go. The new condenser is in. There's the old broken one. And I did change every single little O-ring. So there's one here, one here, one in here, and then one back there. With R134 compatible O-rings. Yeah, I did convert this to R134. And yeah, let's go ahead and put everything back together. Okay, and everything is back together. And of course I got my favorite tool here to bleed the coolant. So of course I don't know if the AC works yet because I didn't charge it yet, but I'll be doing that tomorrow at the shop. Hopefully it works. Fingers crossed. Okay, so it is the next day, and I got the AC charged up, and it does blow cold, but not ice cold. But I guess that's good enough. I mean, it works. So let's fire this thing up, and I'll somehow show you that this thing blows cold. Wrong button. Yeah, I mean, it's good enough. So there's actually a little button that shows you the outside air temperature, and it's this A and B button right here, which stands for ambient. And it says it's 42 degrees Celsius right now, which is like almost 107 degrees, which is really not, but maybe that's broken. But anyways, I'm sitting here pretty comfortably. AC blowing cold enough. Okay, I guess it's gonna be it for this one. So if your car has AC, don't delete it. You're gonna regret it later. Unless it's gonna be like a full-blown track car, just keep the AC, because that can make the difference between driving this car every single day or being miserable driving it in the sun, being hot. So that's the main reason why I got this car, because it had AC and it has good heat and stuff, and that's also why I'm not going like a full-out race car with this. I want this to be a street car. I want to drive this car every single day. So, yeah. I'll see you guys in the next one.